You want a new phone?
Yeah, we'll tell them to transfer your number, the other number to that phone, and you can get the 14 and 15 if you want.
Really? Because I fucking will.
I heard, when I went to go get this 14 today, the chick was telling me that there's not really that many differences between the 15s and the 14s.
The only difference between the 14 and the 15
Yeah, that's what she said. It's an Android C charger.
The only difference between the iPhone 14 and the 15 is on the 15 the back glass breaks easily just from bending it. It will break.
Yeah, because which one do you have?
The iPhone 12.
Yeah, because he has a 12.
See, I want to downgrade to an 8.
An 8?
Button?
Oh, with the
I
button.
fucking miss those ones. I fucking hate this Face ID shit. Because if I do my makeup, guess what? It can't fucking recognize it. I'm all what the fuck. I had to get it at a certain
At least you did it without makeup. Most bitches do it with makeup, and then when they take their makeup off, they don't recognize their ass.
No, I don't do my makeup enough to do that shit. I have my two was one with and one without no glasses. So it recognized me with glasses on and without glasses on.
No, my phone does both, with and without.
Can't keep on pulling my phone with the phone's doing.
What's your guys' next bill due?
Get these up.
Yeah, because like I told you, I'm going to give you like the trade-in, like your first.
Get these up pulling my phone.
What is it? The Apple account? Oh, is it? I never had one before. Oh, yeah.
Gee, so pull my phone.
She's like, oh, just give me my phone.